Hello everyone, this is my review of the Scosche PBJ-2000 portable carb battery jump starter. It works with 12-volt systems and offers powerful 2000 amp battery booster performance that can start your gasoline and diesel engines with ease. The jump box comes as a complete kit with jump cables that makes it a simple use in emergencies. The unit also features a 30-watt fast charge power pack and charger that allows you to recharge your device quickly. The integrated LED light adds extra functionality for working in low light conditions. The design is compact and portable, making it easy to store in your car for emergencies or regular use. Overall, this jump starter is a reliable power boost backup tool for your vehicle, and I hope this review helps.